Morning, students. Today's topic is problems on calculation of oxygen. Let us recollect what we have discussed in the last class. So what we have discussed in the last class? Composition and uses of gaseous fuels. So once again, we will revise that composition and uses of gaseous fuels. So first one, water, gas, H2, N2, CO, CO2, 45 to 50, carbon monoxide 40 to 50, N2 3%, CO2 4. Its calorific value is 28,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses, it is used as a fuel in industry, it is used as a source of hydrogen, it is used in the preparation of carbon black, ammonia, and methyl alcohol. It is used as a illuminant. This is about water gas. Then producer gas, carbon monoxide 30 to 33 percentage, nitrogen gas 64 to 65 percentage, remaining H2, CO2, CH4, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, methane. Calorific value 13,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses, it is used as a fuel in glass and steel industry. It is used in the preparation of hydrogen, ammonia, and methyl alcohol. It is used as a fuel in gas engines. It is used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. It is used as a fuel in open heart furnaces. Then come to natural gas. So it is available in sedimentary rocks along with the petroleum in oil wells formed by the decomposition of organic matter. It is a mixture of hydrocarbons and it is divided into two types on the basis of components present in it. First one is dry natural gas, second one is wet natural gas. Dry natural gas contains only lower hydrocarbons like ethylene, and wet natural gas contains higher hydrocarbons like butane. The major component in this gas is methane. Its composition CH4 methane 70 to 90 percentage, C2H5 5 to 10 percentage, H2 3 percentage, remaining carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Its calorific value is 12,000 to 40,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses, it is used in the preparation of hydrogen gas, which is used in hydrogenation of oils in fertilizer industry. It is used in the preparation of chemicals like methyl alcohol, acetic acid, etc. It is used as a fuel in railway locomotives. It is used in the preparation of LPG and also used as a fuel in furnaces. The next is the coal gas. H2 hydrogen gas is 50 percentage, methane gas is 25 to 35 percentage, carbon monoxide is 4 to 10 percentage, remaining N2, C2H4, CO2. Calorific value is 4,000 to 5,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. Uses, it is used as domestic and industrial fuel. It is used as an illuminant. It is used as reducing agent in metallurgy. It is also used in smelting process. The next is the biogas. It is prepared by decomposition of organic matter by the action of anaerobic bacteria. Bacteria which lives without oxygen. The bacteria is called methanogenic bacteria. Gobar gas is prepared from cow dung and it mainly contains methane gas. The composition is methane gas is 50 to 60 percentage, carbon dioxide gas is 30 to 40 percentage, hydrogen gas is 5 to 10 percentage, and nitrogen gas is 2 to 16 percentage, and small amounts of hydrogen sulfide. And its calorific value is 5,300 kilocalories per meter cube. Uses, is used as an illuminant, used as a fuel for cooking food, and used as a fuel to run engines. The last one is acetylene gas. It is prepared by the action of cold water or calcium carbide. It is a single gas. Its preparation is given. So for onto this calcium carbide, if you pass cold water, it will produce CuH2 and calcium hydroxide. Its calorific value is 6,000 kilocalorie per meter cube. So the mixture of oxygen and acetylene gives oxyacetylene flame, which is used in cutting, welding, and cleaning of metals. In the manufacture of acetic acid, acetaldehyde, etc. In the preparation of polymers like PVC and synthetic rubber, and it is also used as lubricant in lighthouses and Arcus lamps. And it is also used in the preparation of poisonous gases like levisite, mustard gas, etc. Okay, these are we discussed in the last class. So today we are going to discuss problems. So after completion of this period, you will be able to understand. Are you able to calculate these problems based? So today we will deal with the calculation of oxygen required for combustion of methane and ethane. So for calculation of oxygen required for combustion and methane, we should know the equations for combustion of ethane and methane. So volume or amount of oxygen required for combustion of methane and ethane is calculated from balanced equations of methane and ethane at STP conditions, standard temperature and pressures. Okay. If you want to calculate the amount of oxygen required for the combustion of methane and ethane, you should know the balanced equations. So these two are the balanced equation. So one methane molecule is requires two molecules of oxygen. Okay, so to combust 1 mole of methane, we require 2 moles of oxygen. Similarly, for ethane, for 2 moles of ethane, 7 moles of oxygen is required. So why we are balancing? If you balance the equation, we will know how many moles of oxygen is required for combustion of methane and how many moles of oxygen is required for combustion of ethane. So 1 mole of methane is combusted by 2 moles of oxygen, and 2 moles of ethane is combusted by 7 moles of oxygen. 2 moles is combusted by 7 moles of oxygen means 1 mole of ethane is combusted by 3.5 moles of oxygen. Okay. At STP, at standard temperature pressures, 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams or 22.4 liters of volume. The weight of 1 mole of oxygen is 32 grams. The volume of oxygen is 22.4 liters. Already you studied in solution unit. 1 mole of any gas will occupy 22.4 liters of volume at STP. So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 22.4 liters of volume. And 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams. That means 1 mole of oxygen weighs 32 grams. You studied in the second unit, that is in first sem solutions. Okay, mole concept. So if you know this concept, mole concept, then you can do problems easily. So first we do problems on methane combustion. So if you want to solve the problems on methane combustion, you should know this equation. So first, just they will give the question. If the question is on methane combustion, you have to write this balanced equation of methane combustion. By this only you can do the problem. So we will see few problems on this. First problem. Calculate the volume of oxygen required at STP for complete combustion of 1 mole of methane. So what is the question? To combust 1 mole of methane, 1 mole is nothing but 1 molecule. How much volume of oxygen is required? He is asking. Okay. So to combust 1 mole of methane, how much volume of oxygen is required? He is asking. So it is based on methane combustion. Then we have to write the methane combustion equation. This is the methane combustion equation. You have to by heart CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. So by this equation, what you are getting? 1 mole of methane is combusted by how many moles of oxygen? 2 moles of oxygen. So 1 mole of methane required 2 moles of oxygen for combustion. So 1 mole of methane ni combust cheyali ante manaku enta ఎన్ని moles oxygen కావాలి? 2 moles of oxygen. We need 2 moles of oxygen. Okay. So what is the 1 mole of methane is equal to 2 moles of oxygen. Okay. So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to how many liters? You should know. What is the question here? Calculate the volume of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen is nothing but 22.4 liters of volume. Okay. So 2 moles of oxygen means how many liters? Okay. That is 2 by 1 into 22.4. So that will be equal to 44.8 liters. 2 moles of oxygen means this much volume. So here 1 mole of methane combusts for combustion. How many moles it is requiring? 2 moles. 2 moles volume is this one. That means this much volume is required for combusting 1 mole of methane. Okay, what is the question here? Volume of oxygen required for complete combustion of 1 mole of methane. So for 1 mole of methane, you require 2 moles of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen volume is 22.4 liters. 2 moles of oxygen volume is 44.8 liters. That means 44.8 liters of oxygen is required to combust 1 mole of methane. Okay. So in here I wrote no 44.8 liters of oxygen required for 1 mole of methane. Then second question, how many grams of oxygen required for combustion of 22.4 liters of methane at STP? Read the question carefully. How many grams of oxygen required for combustion of 22.4 liters of methane at STP? So again, same, you have to write the methane combustion equation. 1 mole of methane means what is that? You have to write. So here 1 mole of methane means 22.4 liters of methane. So 1 mole of methane requires how many moles of oxygen? 2 moles of oxygen. So here what they are asking? Weight asking. In first problem, he asked how many volumes of oxygen required. He asked there how many grams of oxygen required for combustion of 22.4 liters of methane. Actually, 22.4 liters of methane means what is the meaning? 1 mole of methane. Okay. 1 mole of methane means 22.4 liters of methane. 22.4 liters of methane means 1 mole of methane. So indirect question here. Actually, it should be 1 mole of methane. That is direct question. So in place of 1 mole of methane, he is saying 22.4 liters of methane. 22.4 liters of methane means 1 mole of methane. So 1 mole of methane requires how many moles of oxygen? 2 moles. So what he is asking, how many grams of oxygen? 1 mole of oxygen weight is how much? 32 grams. 2 moles of oxygen weight is how much? 44 grams. 2 by 1 into 32, that is 44 grams. That means 2 moles of oxygen is required for the combustion of 22.4 moles of 4 liters of methane. So answer is 44 grams of oxygen is required for 22.4 liters of methane. 22.4 liters means 1 mole of methane. Okay. So that is an indirect question. Like this, you have to solve the problems. Then next question. How many liters of oxygen required for combustion of 16 grams of methane at STP? So he is asking here also volume of oxygen only, but what he is asking for combustion of 16 grams of methane is asking. In the place of 1 mole, in the place of 22.4 liters, we kept 16 grams. Okay. 16 grams of methane means what you should know. 16 grams of methane means 1 mole. 16 grams is nothing but its molecular weight. Carbon 12, hydrogens 4, 4 plus 12, 16 grams. So 16 grams of methane is molecular weight. Its molecular weight is nothing but 1 mole of methane. So 1 mole of methane requires how many moles of oxygen? 2 moles of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen weight is, volume is how much? Here volume is asking what? So 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 22.4 liters of volume. So 2 moles of oxygen means how much? That means again 44.8. Same as first question. There he said 1 mole methane. Here he is saying 16 grams. 16 grams means 1 mole. 1 mole means 16 grams. So 44.8 liters of oxygen required for combustion of 16 grams of methane. See here, first problem. Calculate the one required at STP for the 1 mole of methane. Same question here in the place of 1 mole, he kept 16 grams. 16 grams of methane means 1 mole only. So indirect. So same problem. Okay, this sentence you have to write 1 mole of 16 grams of methane means 1 mole of methane you have to write. Okay, so like this. These are the problems based on methane combustion. Then come to the ethane combustion. So ethane combustion, you should have this balanced equation. Then only you can do the problem. So here what he asked, calculate the volume of oxygen required at STP for complete combustion of 1 mole of. Same question, but here molecule is changed, their methane, their ethane. Okay, so first balanced equation. In this balanced equation, so here arrow, I forgot to keep the arrow. Okay, so here 2 moles of ethane requires 7 moles of oxygen. But we need for 1 mole, no? So 1 mole of ethane is half. 7 half means 3.5 moles. So 1 mole of ethane requires 3.5 moles of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen is how many liters? 22.4 liters. So 3.5 moles of oxygen is how much? 3.5 by 1 into 22.4. Same as it is, but here moles are changed. 78.4 liters. So 78.4 liters of oxygen required for 1 mole of not methane, ethane. Okay. So to combust 1 mole of ethane, you require how many volumes? How much volume? Sorry, how much volume of oxygen? 78.4 liters of oxygen. Why 78? For 1 mole, 3.5 moles. 1 mole is nothing but 22.4 moles. So this 22.4 into 3.5 is 78.4 liters. So 78.4 liters of oxygen is required for 1 mole of ethane. Then next, how many grams of oxygen required for combustion of 22.4 liters of ethane STP? Same as their second question here, ethane only. So here grams of oxygen asking. So 22.4 liters of ethane means 1 mole of ethane. Okay. 1 mole of ethane means 22.4 liters of ethane. 22.4 liters of ethane means 1 mole of ethane. So 1 mole of ethane requires how many moles of oxygen? 3.5 moles of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen weight is how much? 32 grams. 16 to the 32. So 3.5 moles of oxygen weight is how much? 3.5 by 1 into 32. That is 112 grams. That means this much grams of oxygen is required for combustion of 22.4 liters of ethane. 22.4 liters means 1 mole. 1 mole of ethane combust cheyadaniki 112 grams of oxygen is required. Okay. In different ways they are asking. Sometimes here he is keeping 1 mole. Sometimes here is keeping 22.4 liters. Sometimes he is keeping its molecular weight. Sometimes he is asking weight. Sometimes he is asking volume. So you have to see the question whether he is asking volume, whether he is asking grams. So here what is volume is given, weight is given, or mole is given. So that it will be easy for you. The next question. How many liters of oxygen is required for combustion of 30 grams of ethane at STP? So this question is different. See carefully. How many liters of oxygen required for combustion of 30 grams of ethane at STP? So he is asking oxygen volume. Okay, for combustion for 30 grams. 30 grams means this is the weight of ethane. C2H4. What is the molecular weight of C2H4? Okay, CH4. 12 to the 20, 12 to the 24. Okay. Sorry, C2H6. Ethane means C2H4, not C2H6. Plus 1 into 6, 6. So what is the molecular weight of ethane? 30 grams. Okay. Here 30 grams of ethane means what? 1 mole of ethane. One molecule is nothing but 1 mole. Its molecular weight is 30 grams. 30 grams ethane is asking means 1 mole of ethane. Okay. So 30 grams of ethane means 1 mole of ethane. We don't know. So 1 mole of ethane requires how many moles of oxygen? 3.5 moles of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen volume is how much? 22.4 liters of oxygen. Then 3.5 moles of oxygen is 78.4 liters. Same as first question, there 1 mole is given. Here 30 grams is given. Okay. So 78.4 liters of oxygen is required for combustion of 30 grams of ethane. So if you know the mole concept, you can do the problems easy. If you don't know the mole problem, you can't do. So mole concept. Once again, I will repeat. 1 mole of any gas will occupy 22.4 liters of volume at STP, whatever may be the gas, ethane, methane, hydrogen, oxygen. And 1 mole of any gas weight is its molecular weight. For example, H2, 2 grams is 1 mole. O2, 16 to the 32, 32 grams is 1 mole. Okay. So here methane, CH4, 16 grams is 1 mole. Here ethane, 30 grams is 1 mole. So this concept, if you know means, you can do the problems easily. Okay. So whether it is asking volume, whether it is asking grams, you see this one, and here you do that one. 1 mole this much, 3.5 moles requires no for 1 mole of ethane, 3.5 moles of oxygen means how many liters. So like that, you have to do the problems. Okay. So today we discussed problems on calculation of oxygen required for combustion of methane and ethane. So questions, whatever the questions they will ask in this way only, very simple questions they will ask. So you have to read the question carefully, and whether it is asking grams or liters, asking, if methane question asking, you have to compulsory, you have to write the balanced equation of methane combustion. For ethane, you have to write the balanced equation of ethane combustion. Then you have to note down that 1 mole of methane requires how many moles of oxygen. Then what is the question, whether he is asking weight or whether he is asking liters. If weight is asking, 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 32 grams. If volume is asking, 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 22.4 liters. That point you have to write down. So here how much is requiring, that one you make it and you'll get the answer. Okay, with this we finished fuels topic, that is 4th unit. So very simple unit. In this unit, what we studied, what is fuel, classification of fuels, characteristics of fuel, advantages of gaseous fuels. Okay, what is calorific value, what are the types of calorific value, the composition and uses of gaseous fuels, then problems on calculation of oxygen required for the combustion of methane and ethane. Very simple unit. And in this 18 C18 curriculum only, they added these problems, and you get compulsory question in the exam. If you want to leave it for choice, so no need of take risk. Don't take risk for these problems. If you understand this, you can read it carefully and practice it. Then you can do the problems. If you are feeling difficulty, so leave it for choice. Okay. Thank you, students.